Hello friends, welcome to my channel J Makeover. In this video I am going to show some superb tricks to get your all mehendi designs very beautiful. So here I am making a guideline. So this is to tell you how to make how to get a perfect mango shape. So first I'm making a guideline, and for the first half of the mango I'm making a guideline like this. This is very useful for beginners. And again the second half of the mango. Okay, so by keeping the dot, if you want to adjust, you can adjust easily. And then on top of this I'm going to draw an outline. So this is very easy to do this. You can just make a guideline and then make an outline. So some people ask me about a line like this. My mehendi got little dry, so like this, like without touching the skin, you just have to lift it like this and keep. This is actually a very good idea, but what to say, your mehendi should be little more liquid. Okay, then only it will touch the surface completely. Otherwise there will be a very little the space between the line and the your skin. So what will happen is it will look very patchy when the color will look very patchy. So you shouldn't do that. Otherwise what you can do is, before making this kind line, you have to do a normal outline once, and then you can do the same on top of it. Okay, here I am giving a finishing line, usual one, thicker one. You must do this only after finishing inside, but I am just giving an example. Okay, so there are some more things to get your mehendi in a perfect professional way. Even if you're already doing mehendi, okay, see, I'm just showing an example. This is one spiral, and then there is one more spiral I'm making, and here again. Okay, so what's the difference between these three spirals? All look same in the design, but what is the difference is, here the lines are closer, here kind of gap, here even more gap. Okay, not just only the size, but also the gap between the lines is the bigger difference. It's the main difference here. Okay, what will happen when you're feeling like this, when you're doing mehendi from shoulder or from elbow, or even from the your bangle line, when you are doing designs this kind or any kind of like this, what to say, one design should be filled completely very tight, and another one can be, I mean, the next design which is next to the tight filled design can be little spacious. I hope you get it. You should not make a fully tight design or fully spacious. It will look like you have just done something to fill in the hand. It shouldn't be like that. One design can be very thick, very close, and another one we can be like little more spatial, like checks, etc. Okay, only then the designs will be can look, when you finish it and see, you will be able to differentiate the designs. One is thick, one is little spacious, so you can easily make the difference, and it will look very good for photography and even after it gets the color. Okay, so one each you have to divide, where you're doing thick design, where you're doing a thin one, and what is the thicker design, what is the thin, and what is the spacious design, everything. I mean, the design with the gap. Okay, so here I made one mango. So if I fill that bigger spiral inside the mango, it will have the maximum 3 to 4. Okay, but if I fill in the smaller design like this, one in the clockwise, one in the anti-clockwise, it looks very close. Okay, you can make something like this nearby, just to fill in the gaps, and then you can fill in a bigger design. Okay, the bigger spiral. So already one is very close, so next to that you can keep something like this which has little more space, so that the mango design and also this design both will be visible when it comes as a whole design. I'll finish off and show you. In hand it looks little messy because I have made smaller designs and the lines, etc. So this is a very important trick, that once you fill in very tight, and another one can be little more spacious. This is very important. You cannot keep doing checks all over. It will look it may not look good, but this is a very important trick in any traditional mehendi. Thanks for watching.